Today at Secret Super Chef, we have Magical Eye Potion. You might be wondering what is so magical about this? I'm having this magical potion from past few years and my eyesight has not increased. Rather, my number has gone down. Even my boys have this every day, and with the pandemic and the so much exposure to media, the TV, the online classes, believe me, their number is constant. It's not changed absolutely. This recipe requires only 3 ingredients and they are all healthy. So let's begin. Here I've taken 100 grams of almonds. Take any variety you prefer. I alternate between Mummy and American. All you have to do is dry roast the almonds on a griddle. If you do not want to dry roast it, it's okay, you can use it as it is. But if you roast it, it will enhance the nutty flavor. Transfer to a plate and let them cool completely. Once the almonds are completely cool, transfer them to a mixer jar and grind it. You can make a fine powder or a coarse powder, your wish. Remove it in a big bowl. I have grounded the almonds to a coarse texture. The more you chew it, the more juices they release. So that is good. Set this aside. Our second ingredient is fennel seeds or the variali or the saunf. This also comes in 2 varieties. You can prefer any. Both are equally good. This is also 100 grams. Dry roast it on a griddle till it turns golden brown and a nice aroma appears. Make sure you're roasting all the ingredients on medium-slow flame. What a beautiful aroma. It's all done. I'm going to transfer this also to a plate and let it cool. Cooling all the ingredients is very crucial here. Transfer the roasted fennel seeds into the mixer jar and grind this to a nice powder. Though again the option is open to you if you want a fine powder or a coarse powder. Roasted fennel powder smells amazing. Let's remove the fennel powder and transfer it with our almond powder. Both almonds and fennel are equal quantities, 100 grams each. Now our last ingredient is rock sugar or mishri. This is unprocessed sugar. By using this, you will not get any cough or cold. Here I have taken 50 grams, but you can adjust the quantity as per your taste. We like it little less sweeter, so I am using 50 grams. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. Transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. They look like hard rocks, but they can easily be grinded. Let's mix the mishri powder with the other 2 ingredients. While adding, keep tasting it and adjust the sweetness as per your taste. Ideally, 75 grams of mishri is used, but it gets little sweeter for us. So I prefer 50 grams. Mix everything thoroughly. If the almond and the fennel powder are hot, the mishri will start leaving moisture. That's why it's very important that they are at room temperature. Transfer into airtight jars. Have 1 tablespoon of this mixture daily. You can also have it along with some warm milk for some added benefits. Try this recipe for at least 6 months for best results, though I would recommend it to include this in your daily diet. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel and like and comment on them. Thank you.